Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Tanisha and I hope you subscribe and stick around. Today I'm super excited for this video. We are getting down to the nitty-gritty of how to really elevate your style and look super expensive but on a budget. I know myself, I am down for the trends. I'm down to save a coin. I live for a sale. I also like to look really elevated and look really put together. So I have 5 really good tips for you guys to elevate your style, look really expensive, look like you have your together, but not spend a lot of money. Today's video is actually in partnership with Nordstrom. So happy that they decided to partner with me on this video. So throughout it, I will be sharing some pieces from their Nordstrom made brands, which they have really amazing stuff. So let's get started. First way that you can look really expensive but on a budget, add jewelry. I am a jewelry freak. I love jewelry. You guys know this. I'm obsessed with it. I always wear it, always have rings on, I always have necklaces on, I always have an ear stack. Jewelry is a really great way to elevate your outfit, your style, and look really put together. Always on the hunt for new jewelry pieces, new necklaces to add to my stacks. I love to switch it up. I feel like whenever you add jewelry to an outfit, you instantly look really put together. I personally find whenever I don't have jewelry or I don't have necklaces, I feel kind of naked. I feel like my outfit is missing something. Once you have a little bit of jewelry on, I feel like it just brings everything together. I'm always looking for new edgy pieces. I actually just found this one from Nordstrom. It's super cute. It's super edgy also. It has the year that I was born, 1996, EZ diamonds on it, and it's gold. I feel like this adds like a nice little edgy element to my outfit. It looks very structured, professional, but having like the edgy old English writing in the necklace and just shifting it off to the side makes it instantly look super edgy. If you guys aren't already incorporating jewelry in your wardrobe, I highly recommend it. It is like literally the easiest way to look really expensive. Don't have to buy super pricey jewelry. Don't have to buy diamonds. I have so many just gold plated, gold filled, good quality jewelry that doesn't turn my neck green, doesn't turn my ear green, but it still looks really nice. I'm a sucker for gold also. As you can tell, I only wear gold jewelry, and I just love how this piece just adds a really nice element to my outfit. Tip number 1, add jewelry if you're not doing it already. And something else that kind of goes along with jewelry is accessories. Love a good sunglass. I'm always switching up my sunglasses depending on my outfit and my mood. If I want to look really fun, flirty, if I want to be really edgy, if I don't want anyone to talk to me. There's so many moods when it comes to sunglasses. I found this really cute pair. This one looks like designer. Honestly, it reminds me of like a designer pair of sunglasses. Kind of like your classic pair if you're not into sunglasses and you're trying to build up your collection or start with just like something really easy. I say you cannot go wrong with a pair of just simple black sunglasses that really fit your face. These ones I feel like are just so chic, and like I said, they look so designer. It looks killer with this outfit. This is like don't mess with me, I am a boss type of like vibe, you know what I mean? Each sunglass has a vibe and I feel like they speak, and these ones say don't talk to me, stay 6 feet away, and I'm so into it. I really love these ones. They're super affordable. Again, you do not have to spend a lot of money on sunglasses. I love to invest in a bunch of like more affordable sunglasses so that I can switch them out, have a bunch in my collection, and just kind of feel the vibe, you know? These ones, killer. The next tip that I have for you guys to look really expensive on a budget is to get your items tailored or buy quality pieces that actually fit you. Tailoring, I feel like we all know it makes a world of a difference. I find it makes the most difference in jeans. I always struggle with jeans, it's just a fact. I have a super small waist and a little bit of a bigger butt, so I always have that little gap in the back. You know what I'm talking about, like right here. I always find like jeans just don't fit me 100% perfectly how I would want them to, and tailoring solves that. Like when you have an item or a jean that fits, it is like revolutionary. If you don't want to get into alterations and tailoring, I know it can add up. I would suggest just investing in more quality pieces. Now, I know sometimes I fall for a good sale, fall for something being 50% off. Just buying that nicer item, if you save for a month or two just to, you know, spend $20 more, spend $50 more on the nicer thing, I find that quality you will never regret spending on quality. I feel like jeans especially, like I love a good pair of, you know, really affordable jeans, but the ones that are $80, the ones that are $100 or, you know, a little bit more pricey always tend to fit better. They always tend to look better. The material is better. It's really just about the fit here, you know what I mean? So if you want to look really expensive, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, save. Like that is the best thing that you can do. Don't go out and spend all of your money all at once. If you feel like you can't afford it at this moment, save up, buy the nicer thing, and you'll actually save yourself a lot of money in the long run. All right, so this next tip kind of contradicts the previous one, but hear me out. And it is buying more oversized items, adding more structure to your outfit. And the best way that I can describe this is adding a blazer. Really, it is what it is. I love oversized items. I know that you really want things to fit you, but I feel like the juxtaposition of a really nice fitting pair of jeans with an oversized, more structured, whether it's a blazer, whether it's a jacket, I feel like you instantly look like you know how to dress. You've got it going on. Love blazers. You guys know I did a whole video dedicated to blazers. Styled a bunch of different blazers that I had in my closet, only using items from my closet. So if you missed that video, I will link it up here somewhere in the cards so you can go check that out and get some inspo. I live for a good blazer, you guys, and it has to be oversized. It cannot fit you, it cannot be tight. It kind of has to look like it's your boyfriend's blazer or it's a blazer that you got from your dad's closet. It kind of has to be like maybe 2 to 3 sizes bigger. It's gotta fit big, you know, it's gotta cover the butt. It's awesome to switch it up a little bit. If you wanna wear it with jeans, wear it as a dress. I feel like just like oversized items, they offer a lot of versatility. You just look so rich. Not like you have a lot of money, you know what I mean? But like you look rich, you look decadent. The structure and the bigness just add some type of like je ne sais quoi. It's a very simple outfit, you know what I mean? But instantly add the blazer and you just look, oh, I live for it. So if you guys don't already add some type of structure to your outfit, trust me, you won't regret it. This is one of the easiest ways that you can instantly look rich, honey. Fourth tip, this is probably the easiest one, is neutral colors. I'm living for color right now, so don't come for me, but you cannot go wrong with a neutral outfit, whether it is denim, white tee like this, whether it is all black. All black is one of the combos that just like, you literally don't have to try. You have an all black outfit, like you instantly look like boom. Neutrals just in general just have that effect because they're super clean, they're easy on the eye. I just think they look really, really good. Color is, I feel like, having a moment right now and I'm so here for it. But if you're not into the color, but you still want to look really put together, try neutrals. And like I said, there's so many different variations that you can do. I love an all monochromatic neutral outfit. So whether it's all black, whether it's all white, beiges and creams look really good put together. I love denim. Denim is a good neutral that you can really switch up. You could do a white tee, you could do a black tee. You have a really good neutral base of clothing items in your closet. I feel like you can switch it up and it's so much easier to get dressed when you have a lot of different neutrals. You have white, black, denim, beige. All of those color combos look really good put together and it doesn't look like you're trying too hard and you're really not. Like you're really just wearing an all black outfit, throw on a blazer, you know, and you're out the door. It just looks amazing. Now the last and final tip that I have to look really expensive on a budget is to remember that simplicity is key and not go wrong with a simple outfit. Who was it? Coco Chanel said it best. Whenever you're leaving, take one thing off. I personally don't listen to that rule, but it is a good like frame of mind to think of. You don't need to do the most. You don't need to have every blazer, every layer, every like thing on. Just start with like a really simple outfit. Live for simple, basic pieces. That is the best way that you can really nail this tip, is fill your wardrobe with basics. I love, you guys, my white tees, my black tees. If I could show you in my drawer the amount of white t-shirts, white tanks, black tanks, the amount of just basic items that I have that are just different in one small way, like it's unreal. There's so many different variations of just basics that you can have in your closet that you will thank yourself for, because it really, like, you just can build upon that. You can add a blazer over it, or you can wear with denim, or you can go to the beach with it, or you could dress it up for nighttime. This black strapless tank that I have styled here, it's really cute dressed up. I love it with the leather pants. You can also dress it down. You can throw on some denim shorts, some sneakers, and go bike riding. You know what I mean? So basics, I feel like you will never hate yourself for buying them. They're just so versatile. I also am loving a basic just like leather pant right now. These ones that I also styled in this outfit, they look killer. I love the split detail on the hem. All of the stitching and the line work on it, it just flatters your body so well. It's one in a neutral color black, and it's simple. It's not in this crazy print, although crazy prints and colors can be really fun. But when you're trying to look really, you know, expensive and look put together, I feel like you cannot go wrong with just like something really simple, something timeless, something effortless. Like really this whole video, you guys, is to show you that like you can be that girl that you want to be, and you can look really good without putting in a lot of effort, without spending a lot of money. It really is just being really mindful and intentional about how you're dressing, what you're filling your closet with. It's of course really fun to participate in all of the trends and be more outside of the box with your fashion. I love, you know, experimenting, but if you want to have just like that core wardrobe of pieces that you can always pull to and always know you can have like a killer bomb looking outfit, these 5 tips you will not go wrong with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is going to be it. Again, I will have everything linked down below that I showed in this video from Nordstrom. Again, thank you to Nordstrom for partnering with me on this video. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.